back to the Maker Show. My name is Jeff Krupke, and today we're going to study how to download Eagle Soft. It's a 3D design and animation program for building circuit boards, including the one that I just designed, that you saw me etch. That was designed in Eagle CAD. And so we're going to watch how to find it, install it, find libraries and add the libraries, find the PC board design, and then study that. So I hope you enjoy, and here we go. So welcome back to the Maker Show. My name is Jeff Krupke, and today we're going to look at downloading and modifying a PCB design that I found that's open source on the internet. It's the RAMPS 1.4 board. Basically, we're going to redesign it so that into a large format, and it will the board will simply run the extruders as well as the hot ends and the fans. Have connections for all those. I'm going to go through some of ways to design that. I got it on my computer out in the garage. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this one as well and show you what I did. So first we're going to go ahead and go to cadsoft.io, and then we're going to go ahead and download Eagle, and I did it for the Windows 64-bit. So we're going to hit run. I downloaded her earlier. Okay, so this is what's going to come up. It's self-extract. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and click on next. And agree to the software, and then we're going to hit next. And it being in the root directory is actually really handy for doing libraries and stuff, so would not change that. Well, of course, if you wanted to put it on another drive or something, but the libraries are fairly compact. Don't take up a lot of space, so I don't think you have a problem. Just leave them on the root. Okay, so I copied all the files over. It's a pretty easy setup with this program. Sorry about my birds in the background. And this is important. You want to go ahead and run as freeware. And this is assuming that you're not a business, that this is for your own personal use. So far, what I've seen in the program, I really like it. And if I ever started a company, which I might in the future, I would go ahead and probably invest in Eagle, just because the big maker community behind it. I think it's a good thing all the way around. Okay, so right now I believe we're all set up. I'm going to go ahead and close out all that. And then here we have Eagle. We do, it was just off screen. Okay, this directory, Eagle, in my documents does not exist. That's where they want to put store the projects. I'm going to go ahead and say yes to that. And then a little box popped up off stage that basically said, you know, thanks for running this freeware, and then you just close that box and you're good. Okay, so then you'll be coming to this. This is your like your control panel to add libraries and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add some libraries that I know I need. So we're going to go to Google. And what we're looking for is riprap.lrb. and it's going to be inside of, maybe I need to give it a little bit more. Okay, it's right there at the top. Okay, and this is what you're looking for right here. So you download that. See, that one's only 100K, and be sure to save it. Okay, I'm going to go back, and then back again, and then we're going to change this to Junior. It's LBR, guys. BR. Okay. Okay, it looks like I do have the riprap library. So I'm looking for actually riprap.lbr. Okay, here we go, guys. It's another small one, 290K. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Okay, and then another good one is the Spark Fun. That's right there. Okay, and this is going to be the different ones that are available here. Alright, so guys, I found that you can just go to clone or download, and then you can download that as a zip. And let's go ahead and go back again. And the other one was Element. Okay, and this is the one that I found on Element 14. It's this all CAD files. I'm not sure if this is encompasses everything because they said it's not updated in forum. So you might have something missing. You have to go back in, but it's largely the whole library. Okay, so we have all those downloaded. So then we're gonna go in and go to downloads here. We're going to grab, extract these ones that run a zip. Just going to put them into a zip. This one does take a little bit, 446 megabytes, but that means there's a lot of good information in there. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and open up the Eagle file, LBR. We're going to move those ones over to it. These you can just move right over. in the root of the directory. And they can also do files, so let's find that file, element 14, all CADs file. I'm just going to move that over. All the libraries we should need. I'm going to go ahead and show you today on the Maker Show how to grab an open resourced Eagle design and basically make it your own. So we're going to go ahead and concentrate on the ramps board, since that's the one I've been working on so much. Let's go schematic. Then we're going to go to this wiki, riprap wiki. And this will actually have the Eagle files. And this is also all the parts that are going to come with it. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to order an unassembled ramps board, and then go ahead and borrow parts from it. This is pretty got a lot of information here that can be useful. This is the bill of materials for the board, and this is the one I was really having trouble with. But you see how it gives you the part number of the exact part that they put on this board. What we're going to go ahead and do is look at that schematic, and then we know exactly the part we need to order. I'm going to order some incomplete boards. It'll basically be parts and a PCB board. I'll go ahead and probably just keep the PCB board and then use the parts that came with it to build what I'm doing, because basically I'm taking a complete board and I'm just using a handful of the components that are needed. Okay, here's the Eagle CAD files, of course, right at the bottom. So we're going to click on that. And then oh, I didn't see this one. There's a ramps library, so that would probably be helpful as well. It's the same thing. Let's see, clone or download. I'm going to download the zip, just like we've done before. And that's going to have all the information on it here. Looks like they've actually gone to they're in the third iteration of their of this board. So that's cool. Okay, we got it in here. Gonna open it here. And then right now we're going to extract all the files. We'll just extract it right to a file name that. And there we go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. This is the schematic. And it's asking me which program I want to use. I'm going to do a list, and then Eagle, and then OK. And there we have it, guys. This is the schematic for the 1.4. Okay, so then you can go here, and then go Properties, and then this is exactly the device, exactly the library it came from. I had to learn this last night to get the part, but that's as simple as it is. Anything that pulls up an Eagle with that schematic, you can see what part they used. This one, Properties, 3-pin header, came from the Ultra machine. library. I'll have to see if I have that one. I also just downloaded the library that goes with this. So let's go ahead and install the library and then see whether we can find those things. So we're going to go ahead and cancel, and then we're going to go to our trusty control panel. And then we're going to go to that download file, and that's the library right there. I'm going to right click on that, do a copy, and then let's go into the Eagle folder. So handy, it's on the root. Okay, then in here we're going to right click and we are going to paste. Okay, so that's the library there. So then we can close that, close this, we're here. It's marked as use. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Yep, you can see those Rip Rap Juniors. That's the one they came from. So basically we installed it, the big package that we found. We basically did what they did. They made it really handy for us by putting the libraries into a file. So that's something that you probably want to do in the future if you have you give it away on the, GitHub or something like that, is you'll want to go ahead and put the libraries that is needed for the program into that file, so it will be able to find all the libraries and you'll be able to modify it pretty easily. So I hope that explained how to figure out what type of library and how to download libraries some more. Join me again when we go ahead and continue designing that board. So thanks for watching, and I hope that helped get Eagle installed and get those libraries. It took me a little bit to get that figured out, but as you can see, we figured it out and we got them installed, and we can go ahead and design that board, and I did. So you can see future episodes. Stay tuned. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.